Hi, welcome back to Piano with Des. In this episode, we're going to talk about transposition. What is transposition? Well, it's where you take a song or melody and play it in one part of the piano. Then you move your hands either higher or lower to a different part of the piano and play that same melody. Why do we do this? Well, number one, first and foremost, it's a nice challenge and it's fun, a fun challenge. Number two, by taking a melody and playing in a different part of the piano, it changes the mood or the feeling. You might have already experienced this maybe without knowing it by going to a musical or listening to your favorite pop tunes on the radio. Then number three, it helps you to learn patterns. Really, piano is all about patterns. For you math folks out there, this is something to really hold on to, and it's just fun. I'm going to show you how to transpose Mary Had a Little Lamb. And if you're unsure about finger numbers, I made a video about that and notes. So please check out those videos. I'll put those links above. And I also made a video about Mary Had a Little Lamb. So I think that would be really important to check out before trying this out. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna play Mary Had a Little Lamb using only black keys. Meet me down at the piano and let's set up our hands. Here we go. Let's start with the right hand. And I want you to find a group of 3 black keys like this. And let's set up our 1, 2, 3 on that set of 3. Our 4th finger is just gonna hang out. We're not gonna use that. And then pinky is gonna be on that first black key of a group of 2. Now let's have the left hand join. Left hand, group of 3. But this time we're gonna start with our pinky. 5, 4, 3 on that group of 3. Finger 2 is just gonna hang out. And then thumb is gonna be on that first black key of a group of 2. Now let's try playing Mary Had a Little Lamb, and I'm gonna sing the lyrics first. And what's important is we're gonna start with our 3rd fingers, which is our middle fingers. Try doing this with me. Ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Keep your hands there, because what I want you to do is watch what I'm gonna do to transpose this melody. All right, look down at the piano. See how my hands are on the black keys? Now I just want you to slide down to the left. 1 piano keys, look what happens. What? Let me show that one more time. All right, here we go. We were on those black keys, right? Okay, now I'm just gonna slide my hands down to the left. Now we're on white keys. Now we're gonna be on F, G, A, B, C. And the notes that we're gonna use, that's where the patterns come in. We're just gonna use the same fingers we use on the black keys. Let's review that, right? What were the 2 fingers we didn't use when we were on the black keys? Da, 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 da. So my left hand didn't use my 2. My right hand didn't use the 4, so let's slide back down. This is called F position, by the way, because there's the F. We're just going to use F, G, A. We're not going to play that 2 and 4, and then pinkies on C. How about first, let's sing the notes as we play, because this will be good to learn the notes. We're going to start with our 3rd fingers, like how we did on the black keys, on letter A. Here we go. A, G, F, G, A, G, 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 A, C, C, A, G, F, G, A, G, G, A, G, F. Lovely, now let's sing the lyrics in this F position. Here we go. Try it with me. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a Let's try one more hand position. This time I'm gonna make you move a little bit more to the left. This is where the patterns come in. I want you to find a group of 2 black keys. Stay in the middle because that's where it's comfy. Here we go. Right hand, here's that group of 2. And what I want you to do is play the white keys that surround it. Notice there's 1, 2, 3 white keys that surround that group of 2. Just like when we played on the black keys, we started with a group of 3 black keys. Now we're changing it up and starting with a group of 3 white keys surrounding that group of 2 black keys. These notes are C, D, E, and remember, we're not playing our 4th finger, so I'm not going to tell you that note. And then pinky is gonna be G, or your 5th finger. Let's try a little scale with skipping that 4th finger. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5. Perfect. Let's add the left hand. Same idea. Let's find that group of 2 right here. Left hand, the leader is the pinky, which is finger number 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3. We're skipping that 2. We're not playing it. And then thumb on G. Let's try a little scale up. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 1. Good. Now let's try hands together. Just a little scale up. From C. C, D, E, G. Excellent. So stay in that C position and let's play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let's do like how we did in the F position. Let's say the notes first. Remember to start with your 3rd fingers, middle fingers, and that's going to be E as in excellent. Here we go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, D, E, D, C. Great. And I just giggled a little bit because I don't know if you noticed, but my voice is cracking a little bit. So please don't feel like anyone would judge you if you're singing with me because I don't fancy myself a singer. But the reason I do this with you and do this with my students and myself is it's so important to connect our bodies with what our fingers are doing. So now let's try singing the lyrics, and you can go up the octave or down the octave regardless or depending on how your voice is, right? Let's try that up. 3rd fingers. Here we go. Lyrics. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Beautiful. And it actually gave me a thought. Speaking about singers, that's another reason we transpose. Because, oh my goodness, there's been so many times where I'm playing with a singer and a piece is in a certain key. And their voice just doesn't feel right for their voice and it doesn't sound good. So they ask, oh, can we play it in a different key, right? Or a different hand position on the piano. That really comes in handy if you want to play with singers. Last thing I want to do, I'm just going to play through each of those different hand positions for Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'm not going to sing or anything like that. What I'd like you to do is listen as I play that and really think about how it makes you feel, how each one sounds a little bit different, even though it's the same melody. And then maybe, if you can, rewind it back to when I do this and try to play along with me. Here we go. I'll promise I won't sing. I'm just going to play. Starting with that group of, the black keys only. Here we go. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. It was a pleasure showing you what transposition is, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our website, DezCorMedia.com, and our Instagram page @DezCorMedia for additional content. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and if there's a topic you'd like us to cover, please let us know. We look forward to making more videos like this, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one.